everyone, welcome back to my channel Journey with Nidhi. So last weekend we went for a jewelry show which was organized at Bund Financial Center, Shanghai. It was organized by a Taiwanese famous jewelry designer, Cindy Chow. She's known for her high quality and fine jewelry work which is generally inspired by art and nature. After we arrived at Bund Financial Center, there was a long queue of waiting to get into the main hall, and we waited for around 1.5 hours. And after entering the hall, as you can see, the whole area was decorated very beautifully, and a lot of graphic designing visuals were placed all across the hall so that you can get the idea of what Cindy Chow is known for. Like, she believes that every jewelry design should be a miniature piece of art, and she has two famous collection, which is Black Label Masterpiece Collection and White Label Collection. So we arrived on first floor to check out some Black Label masterpieces, and after we enter we saw many beautiful design of jewelry, and we get to know that how she places emphasis in every minute details of the jewelry design that she has crafted with a lot of sincerity and a lot of creativity. Every piece was actually a masterpiece. This piece was my favorite. I really love the combination of emerald with blue sapphire, and she always believes in using the top quality rare stones which are not easily available elsewhere, and like she always believe in using Colombian emeralds which are the best in the quality, and she also believes in using the best diamonds for her jewelry, like best in terms of clarity and color. So whenever you check out her piece, you will get to know that every piece is designed in such a manner that it is very unique, different and rare. Also, she loves to create very artistic designs, and also she take a lot of inspiration from the nature to design her jewelry, and like her famous iconic butterfly design is well known to the people who are into the jewelry field. And so this collection can help a lot of budding jewelry designers or people into this industry to get a lot of inspiration to how to create a very unique, rare and different styles. She has also previously displayed her jewelry collection at various shows in Beijing and Tokyo, and her famous iconic design of butterfly has been displayed in National Museum of Natural History at London. Her work is being appreciated all around the world, and she has got this skill sets from her father and grandfather. Her grandfather was a very famous architecture of his time in Taiwan and has made up very beautiful temples over there, and her father was also a sculpture artist. So she has got that skill from her father, that she will focus on to each and every and tiniest detail of any jewelry or any natural thing that she is taking inspiration from. So she is one kind of very different kind of a jewelry designer. I thoroughly enjoyed my experience at her jewelry show. I was totally amazed and baffled by various design, and I was also inspired to get some new jewelry. Will definitely buy some new jewelry, but not from her collection because her jewelry is worth millions. So I'm sure a lot of budding jewelry designers and people into jewelry industry would definitely appreciate her work, and also will learn a lot of things from her jewelry design, how to be unique, different, and how to place emphasis even on the tiniest detail of every piece that you craft. And also, if you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos and more extraordinary things that I will keep bringing to you. And also, like I will share her Instagram account detail in my description so that you guys can follow her and keep an eye to her more interesting and unique jewelry designs. Also, if you have any questions or if you would like to receive any query about any of the pictures, do let me know. I would love to share the details and pictures with you.